Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you please introduce yourselves?
Good morning, Miss. I am Marvin Miguel Paso, and I recently graduated in hospitality management, and I am eager to give support and contribute greatly to your team as a kitchen steward. And I am with a focus of cleanliness and safety. I can contribute greatly to your teams.
That's good to hear. So you mentioned you can contribute greatly as a kitchen steward. So I assume that you're applying for a position of a kitchen steward.
Miss,
Is that correct?
Miss,
You're applying for what position?
kitchen steward, Miss.
Kitchen steward. Okay. Do you have any idea what are the jobs and responsibilities of being a kitchen steward?
Yes, Miss. Since I am, I had been an internship in a hotel wherein I prepare food. I maintain the cleanliness in the kitchens and if needed I can serve in a guest, Miss.
Okay. Now, upon hearing that, what might be your strength and weaknesses, or let's start with strength first, that will help you to become part of our company as a kitchen steward?
My strength, Miss, is I can smile. My strength is my smile. I can smile all day and no matter how bad the day is, I can smile and this can bring positive to the team, Miss, and can it also can help in customer and give them a satisfactory experience. Then my weaknesses, Miss, is I I usually dwelled on the criticism that give, but uh, this give me a feedback on to do much better in the next task that you will give me, Miss.
So that's a good one. However, do you have any specific skills, strength with regards to your skills as an HN graduate?
In my journey in schools, Miss, I we learn different 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 procedure and operation in the kitchen, Miss. We learn how to cook. We learn to maintain the sanitation. We also we also we also to seminar, Miss. We do a seminar regarding sa risk management, Miss.
That's good to hear. Because you mentioned you're a graduate of hospitality management, right?
Yes, Miss.
And we are looking for a kitchen steward with just an undergraduate degree. I mean, sorry, not undergraduate degree, but undergraduate. But you already graduated hospitality management. Will you be interested to apply as commis?
if if it gives me the much bigger opportunity, Miss, I will take the Miss position, Miss.
That's good to hear. So you're open for possibilities or any position in our company.
Yes, Miss.
That's good to hear. Now, I'd like to ask if you were able to encounter pressure or stress during your stay in the university.
Yes, Miss. I encountered stress mostly, Miss, since I am a class mayor. So I I I also stress in managing the people, Miss. And because of this, it's give me a better leadership, Miss, and can perform better if there is scenario that's needed to handle many people, Miss.
That's good to hear. So, if you were able to encounter all of this pressure and stress at a university, how do you handle it?
First, Miss, I will organize things that easily be done and can hard to be done. Then then after that is I will find at least 20 solution. Then each solution must I will find the most suitable for that problem. Then